Human nervous system. Human nervous system coordinates all activities of the body, enables the body to respond to changes both inside and outside. Human nervous system basically classified into two types. One is central nervous system, another one peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system includes brain and spinal cord. This is human brain, first part of the central nervous system located in skull. Skull or cranium is a bony case around the brain. Main parts of the brain are cerebrum, cerebellum, diencephalon, midbrain, pons varolii, and medulla oblongata. Cerebrum is main part of the forebrain. It is equally divided into two halves. Each half is called cerebral hemisphere. The left side of cerebral hemisphere, which controls the right side body parts, and right cerebral hemisphere participating to control the left side body parts. Cerebrum has four parts, four lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, occipital. On cerebrum, frontal lobe, which indicated by yellow color, it is participating in reasoning and thought. Parietal lobe indicates it integrates sensory information. Temporal lobe of cerebrum process auditory information from ears. Occipital lobe of cerebrum processing visual information from the eyes. Diencephalon of the brain, it is part of forebrain, includes thalamus and hypothalamus. The thalamus directs the sensory impulses to the cerebrum. Hypothalamus, this is beside the thalamus. Hypothalamus controls temperature, appetite, water balance, sleep, and blood vessel constriction and dilation. Hypothalamus also participating to control the emotional feelings like anger, fear, pleasure, pain, affection, etc. Midbrain is the second part of brain. It is located at the middle part of the brain and located below cerebrum, responsible for eye and auditory reflexes. Cerebellum is the part of hindbrain which is located backside of the head. It is participating muscle coordination, balance, posture, muscle tone, etc. Pons varolii also located below the midbrain in brainstem. This is the first part, responsible for certain reflex actions. Medulla oblongata, located at the bottom of the brainstem, connects to the spinal cord. Medulla oblongata regulates heartbeat, blood vessel function, digestion, respiration, swallowing, coughing, sneezing, blood pressure, etc. Medulla oblongata, also called as the center for respiration. In the next video, we will discuss about the spinal cord